Hello, my dear students. So, if you are in class 10th or you are just moving to class 10th, then these videos are going to be very useful to you, because what I will be doing in this video I will be discussing all the questions which have came in the board exam which was yesterday, that is 17th Feb 2026. So, if you want to excel in the coming exam which will be rightly 1 year after, means in 2027, so you should be serious from today itself, and let us discuss the first question today. So the first question was, I was reading the question. The first question was, let me just read the question for you, and then I will be solving the question on a piece of paper, and then I will be explaining that also. So the first question was the distance. It was from section A. We all know that firstly section A comes, in which we have MCQ of 20 marks. Each question has 1 marks. So the first question is the distance between the points. Now the points coordinates is given. The first point is A cos theta plus B sin theta and 0, and second point is 0 comma A sin theta minus B cos theta is. Okay, so this was the question. Now after reading the question, what do you think? This question might be from which chapter? Tell me. Yes, this question is from coordinate geometry. So let us see how we are going to solve this question. So friends, in one paper I have noted all the questions. As you can see, every question I have noted, and then we are going to solve one by one. So this first question is MCQ, but we will solve it as if it is a 4 marks question. Why? Because the same question can come as a 4 marks in the coming exam, right? So we will do this question so nicely that any question related to this we can solve it easily. So as the question was, I will repeat the question. The distance between the points, 2 points is given, and distance it is asking. So what is the distance between these 2 points? So in NCRT, when you will see the coordinate geometry chapter, here you can see, suppose PQ 2 points is given. Here the coordinates of P is x1 y1 and coordinate of Q is x2 y2. Okay, so how we are finding the distance? We are applying PQ is equal to under root x2 minus x1 whole square plus y2 minus y1 whole square. We are not seeing the derivation how it is derived, just we are seeing the formula. So PQ is equal to under root of x2 minus x1 whole square plus y2 minus y1 whole square. What is this formula called? This formula is called distance formula. This formula is called distance formula, because suppose this is one point, this is another point, we are finding the distance between these 2 points. So students, we are going to solve it as if it is a 4 marks question. So first point is A, second point is B, we have assumed. So abscissa of the first point is A cos theta plus B sin theta and ordinate is 0. Similarly, abscissa of B point is 0 and ordinate is A sin theta minus B cos theta. Now x1 y1 we have written and x2 y2 we have written. What is x1 y1? It is the coordinates of the first point. x2 y2 are the coordinates of the second point, that is abscissa and ordinate respectively. So distance between the points, so AB is equal to x2 minus x1 whole square plus y2 minus y1 whole square. What is this formula called? This formula is called nothing but distance formula. So AB is equal to under root of, see here x2 is what? x2 is 0, x1 is A cos theta plus B sin theta. Similarly, y2 is A sin theta minus B cos theta and y1 is 0. So we have applied this. Now you can see minus minus is in the both the terms. So I will take minus 1 common. So I will have A cos theta plus B sin theta whole square, minus 1 is also there, and A sin theta minus B cos theta whole square. So AB is equal to under root of A cos theta plus B sin theta whole square, because we know that minus 1 into minus 1 is plus 1. So now we can write it like this, plus A sin theta minus B cos theta whole square. So after this, what we can see? We can apply here the formula A plus B whole square. So by applying A plus B whole square, we will get A square plus B square plus 2AB. Similarly, here applying A minus B whole square, you will get A square plus B square minus 2AB. Now you can see that plus 2AB cos theta sin theta and minus 2AB sin theta cos theta, these two will get cancelled. Now you can see A square cos square theta, A square sin square theta. So if I will take A square common, so I will get cos square theta plus sin square theta. Now B square sin square theta plus B square cos square theta. So if I will take B square common, so I will get sin square theta plus cos square theta, right? So what I can write here, these two are getting cancelled, right? So now AB is equal to under root of a square plus b square. How? Because we know that sine square theta plus cos square theta is equal to 1. So hence the distance between these points is under root of a square plus b square. So here the first option is correct. Now students, what process we have applied here? Firstly, we applied distance formula. Then we have also applied a plus b whole square and a minus b whole square, right? So that can be the second thing. And we also applied the trigonometric identities formula. Okay. So by seeing this process, we can understand that only 3 steps is done here. If you want to learn more, if you want to solve the board exam paper along with me, so watch the another video also which will be coming soon. Thank you.